If you're currently printing labels from BarTender and would like to establish a connection to your NetSuite account, then blendAPPS BarTender connector could be a great fit for you. Here's how it works. We create a virtual bridge between NetSuite and BarTender. This allows you to transmit information from fields and inventory detail in NetSuite records to your pre-configured label templates in BarTender. Print jobs can be triggered to any of your BarTender printers directly from NetSuite this way. Note that it's also your choice whether you want to use BarTender on-premise or BarTender Cloud. We support both. Our connector works with all standard and custom record types in your NetSuite account. Whether you want to print from item records, transactions, or your own custom record, Blend has you covered. You'll also have full access to all standard and custom fields when generating your labels. Let's jump to an item record in NetSuite to see how this works. We're looking at a lot numbered assembly item in NetSuite, and we see a button labeled Print to BarTender. Clicking this button will create a new draft print job. The drop-downs in the print job data field group allow the user to select the desired printer, template, and quantity of labels to print. These values can be defaulted through configuration settings and can be item or customer specific. When printing from a transaction, the label quantity will default to the quantity on the transaction. The sublist below shows pre-configured field mappings between BarTender template fields and the corresponding NetSuite fields. At print time, Blend populates all of this data based on the record you're printing. In this case, the item record did not have a sales description. The user has the choice to change any blank or existing values if desired. The content of these fields is what will be sent over to BarTender in the print job payload, but will not change the master data in NetSuite. Using the print preview helps visualize the output of the print job by sourcing the field contents from the table below and displaying them in the corresponding template. The intent is to confirm the appearance prior to generating large print jobs to avoid wasted time and materials. Now let's dive a little deeper into how NetSuite fields are mapped to BarTender template fields. Each field map is a record inside of NetSuite that can be created, viewed, and edited. Here is a view of all mappings set up in my account. We'll start by taking a closer look at an existing item description mapping record. Note the banner at the very top. We allow mapping to item records which will default mapping for all item types and only show fields available on an inventory item. Specific mapping can be defined for item subtypes like assemblies. The BarTender field ID is entered here. You'll find this ID in your BarTender label template. The right side of the page allows you to select record-specific fields, including custom fields. Note that we support all record types, from items to transactions to custom records. You can see that this is an exhaustive list. Let's move on to the list of configured printers. These are sourced from your BarTender instance and will allow you to manage paper trays and establish defaults. The template list is also sourced from BarTender. This is the list of templates that can be referenced when printing labels from NetSuite using our connector. Blend will automatically maintain the list of printers, paper trays, and templates, so there is no manual intervention required. Each print job is stored as a record in NetSuite. We can trigger reprints, generate a preview, and view confirmation that the print job was completed. The print job record includes important information like the assigned printer, the selected template, the job quantity, and the item, lot, and corresponding NetSuite transaction, which we can navigate to by clicking on the hyperlink. Item receipt 3 was for 2 separate lots of glycerin, ABC and DEF. We can launch a print job and source body fields and transaction line fields. Here, we've defaulted the label output to 110, the quantity on the line level of the transaction, and will print 55 labels for lot ABC and 55 labels for lot DEF. Additional fields like descriptions, units of measure, and any other NetSuite data tied to the record are also available for mapping. Clicking Print will initiate printing from BarTender and generate a print job record in NetSuite with relevant system notes. As another safeguard to potentially overprinting, you can configure confirmation boxes to display if a user tries to print a large number of labels. For those of you paying close attention, you may have noticed the Quick Print button beside Print to BarTender. By clicking Quick Print, the print job is initiated without requiring any further verification or clicks. You can click on the hyperlink after Quick Print to be brought to the print job where the payload and print preview can be viewed. For printing standard labels in BarTender, your Quick Print button could be considered a significant time saver. Advanced users can trigger print jobs through a workflow or through their own custom script. You can visit our website to sign up for a 30-day free trial of the BarTender connector and see if it's right for you. The solution was designed to be simple, and with the user-friendly setup wizard, you should be able to get yourself printing labels within a matter of minutes. In addition to the BarTender connector, we have a number of other solutions available built to support process manufacturers using NetSuite. If you want to learn more, visit SuiteApp.com or our website to book a live demonstration with one of our solution consultants today.